This is your dose of daily market wisdom with master trader Nick Santiago. Starting from humble beginnings, Nick has been beating the markets for over 2 decades. He shares with you his take on the profitable trades that will have you moving towards financial freedom in no time at all. To see an in-depth review of his track record and much more, go to inthemoneystocks.com. Welcome. This is your daily dose of daily market wisdom with master trader Nick Santiago. I'm Kerry Lutz. Today is 11/16/22, show number 439. Well, major indices are pulling back again today, Nick.
Yeah, it looks like we're having a pretty good dip today in these markets. Now, they are coming from an overbought condition on the daily chart. So everybody should not panic about it, but it's a pretty good little fall, especially in technology today. We've seen the NASDAQ down about 1.7%. I do want to warn everybody, though, this is Whipsaw Wednesday, which is usually the most choppy session of the week as you go into an options expiration. Often rallies will be sold, sell-offs will see sharp bounces. So as I always say, trade only the best chart pattern setups on a day like today. And we'll see where we go by the close, but markets are under pressure as we speak.
All right. Hey, so earnings reports, Target is not looking pretty for them, huh?
Oh, Target's getting absolutely mauled today. The stock right now trading down by 13.5% as we speak. It has come off the lows of the session, but a really, really ugly move. This decline comes as the company's reporting a slowdown in discretionary spending. So, we had a report out from Walmart earlier this week, and that stock actually reacted very, very well. In fact, it's up $1 today, but Target is getting absolutely mauled here. And I think the chart right now is telling me Target ultimately goes down to around 125. I don't see anything good in the Target chart right now. So I would be very, very careful with this one going forward.
All right. What's gold doing?
Gold is stalling out today. Basically flat as we speak. So right now, it's up about 0.1%, basically flat, but gold has had a sensational rally recently. And if it can consolidate here, it's going to make another push higher. The one thing I want to say quickly about gold is during options X, it usually gets slammed, and it has not happened yet. So that's a little change in character from what we've seen in the past.
All right. Well, interesting there. And the crypto saga continues.
Oh, yeah, it does it ever. So the FTX collapse is far from over, if you ask me. It looks to be systemic as you're getting other crypto firms starting to become insolvent. Clients are looking to get their money out. They cannot do it. And remember the old cockroach theory. If there's one, there's a million. We talked about this recently, and sure enough, it's coming to play out. And as you know, I'm looking for Bitcoin to trade below 12,000 ultimately before it can even find any kind of realistic bottom. Today, Bitcoin is getting hit a little bit right now, trading around the 16,000 level or just a little bit lower. But, this has lower to go. And again, I think it's going to go sub 12,000. Originally, I was sub 13, but I think it's even going to go lower than that.
All right. So when we look at that FTX, originally, who was it? Coinbase was going to bail them out. And then they took a look at it and they said, thanks, but no thanks.
Right. It was going to be Binance. Binance was going to bail them out.
Right.
And then Binance said they're insolvent. They have no value to them. And they walked away.
They bailed.
And with that being said, yeah, they bailed. And, it really has reflected other firms here as well. Even today, speaking of Coinbase, that's trading down 12% today. So that is now at $48.70. So, who knows? Right now, it doesn't seem like there's a problem with Coinbase, but the chart don't look good for that one either.
All right. Well, I guess that is about it. Whipsaw Wednesday prevails. We'll see what happens with all these good things going on in the next couple of days. Make sure you go over to Nick's site, inthemoneystocks.com. See how he's called all of these moves recently. Silver, Bitcoin, more moves than your head is spinning. Nat gas, all of those. inthemoneystocks.com. The Twitter feeds at ITMS, at Nick Santiago01, at Kerry Lutz. Emails welcome, KL@kerrylutz.com. And make sure you post your comments to the YouTube channel. Nick, we will talk to you on Friday.
Sounds good, Kerry.